Hello dear friends. Now we are seeing a Duke X3 kit with non-painted version and actually it's primed and ready to paint and now it's get painted and half the stickering is done and now we are continue to sticker and this is me guys. And one more thing friends, me and my brother is only doing this all works, so we are unable to take all the shots, so I try to cover all the shots. If some shots miss, kindly adjust guys, and thank you. And now we are stickering the red section with more patience and careful, and you can see this it took little bit more time, but you should handle with patience because the output the product should come with a great quality, so only it will get impressed by the customer. And now you can see that the black area is stickering and this is the tail region and it's stickered completely and now it's all finished. The X3 kit stickering work is now it's completely done, and now you can see that it's we are stickering the stock kit. The design will connect the X3 kit and the stock kit, which will gives you feel like a single piece and a bulk look, which you can see in this end of the video. And now we are fixing the stock kit in right position, and you can see this guys, and we are seeing the alignment and it's good. And now we place the X3 kit in proper position and you can see this guys, it's really amazing and a rich look and a bulk look. And you can see this what I told, that was the design look like a single piece. You can see his here and you can see this guys. And now we are fixing the screws and it's really important, it should be fixed properly. Little time it will took, but you should fix properly, then only the kit will be safe. And see the end result friends. And we are manufacturing this kit, and non-painted and painted version is available. The details will be given in description. Thank you for supporting us friends.